6 facial masks to save your skin. Stressful situations, overworking, lack of sleep, health problems. These are all things that can make your facial skin look and feel tired and leave it looking sickly and dull. Here are 6 masks that will transform your skin by restoring a youthful glow and making you look gorgeous. Don't miss our number 10 brilliant tips on how to apply masks properly. They're at the end of the video. Also, check out our little bonus, a mask made from a secret ingredient. Number 1. Potato and Lemon Mask. This mask has a particular effectiveness against spots on your face that you get because of the suntan. You will need only 2 ingredients, 1 potato and half a lemon. How to make it? Blend the potato, put it into a bowl, and gradually add the lemon juice. Mix it all together with a spoon until you get a homogeneous mass. How to use it? Apply the mix to your face with gentle circular movements. Let it stay for 20 minutes and then wash the mask off with water. In just 3 nights, you'll see that your skin is once again free of blemishes and sunspots. Number 2. Cucumber Mask. This mask is an excellent refresher, plus it treats blemishes, opens pores, and reduces eye wrinkles. Again, you'll need only 2 ingredients, 1 cucumber and 1 chicken egg white. How to make it? Whisk the egg white to a foam consistency. Grate the cucumber using a fine grater. You need to produce 2 spoonsful of cucumber pulp. Then add the cucumber pulp to the egg white foam and stir the ingredients well. How to use it? Once the mix is ready, apply to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wash the mask off. You'll see the results after the first use. Number 3. Lemon Mask. This mixture will help you get rid of acne marks and revive dull and dry skin. Let's see what you'll need. 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. How to make it? First, whisk the egg white, add the rest of the ingredients to the egg white foam, and stir everything well. To make the mix more viscous, try out in ground oat flakes. How to use it? Apply the facial mask carefully and leave it on for 15 minutes. Remove the mask using a warm compress. Rinse your face with water, having added a few drops of camo infusion. Wow, your skin is perfect. Number 4. Oatmeal Mask. This mask tackles oily skin, treats acne, and removes dead cells. Here are the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 sour green apple, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and juice from 1 lemon. How to make it? Whisk the oatmeal in a blender and then grate the apple. Take 3 small bowls. Use the first bowl to mix the ground oatmeal and olive oil. Mix the ground apple pulp and honey in the second one. In the third bowl, mix the yogurt and lemon juice. How to use it? Apply the mask in layers using a makeup brush. Having rinsed your face, apply a mixture of oatmeal and olive oil. Let the mix dry a bit, then apply the mixture of ground, apple, and honey. Leave it to dry for 5 minutes. Finally, apply a mixture of yogurt and lemon juice and wait another 5 minutes. In total, the mask should stay on your face for 15 minutes. Number 5. Turmeric Mask. Try this mask to soothe skin irritations, treat burns, and relieve the pain of sunburn. The mixture also reduces inflammation and facial redness and promotes skin healing. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, 1 tablespoon of avocado, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Make sure that you choose the right type of yogurt, simple probiotic product that won't cause skin irritation. Greek yogurt is particularly useful. How to make it? Mash the avocado, either using a blender or manually the fork until you get a smooth pulp. Put the avocado puree, the turmeric, and the yogurt in a small bowl and stir everything thoroughly. How to use it? Rinse your face and apply the mask in gentle circular movements. Leave the mask on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Keep in mind that this mask can stick to your hair along the hairline. Avoid this, put your hair in a bunt. Number 6. Chocolate and Oatmeal Mask. Use this mask if you suffer from the oily, acne-prone, aging, dry, or sensitive skin. You'll need 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder or cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or sour cream, and 3 tablespoons of oatmeal powder. How to make it? Put the oats in a blender, then put the ingredients into a small bowl. Stir them together using a spoon or a spatula. How to use it? Once the mask is ready, use either a clean brush or your fingers to apply it to your face as quickly as possible. Massage your face lightly. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. We'd advise you have a brief lie down while you wait. Then get up and wash the mask off. Now here are 10 essential tips on how to use facial mask Without any doubt, you'll find they're beneficial to you. 1. Check your skin for possible adverse reactions before using the mask. Put some of the mask's material on the bend of your elbow. If no irritation appears after 15 minutes, it is safe to use the mask. 2. Always rinse your face before applying. 3. Before starting to prepare the mask, make sure that all the ingredients are fresh. When the mask is ready, use it immediately. 4. While applying the mask, follow the facial massaging lines. Starting from the bottom part of the face and moving upwards, the first stage of mask application should begin at the chin and finish in the forehead region. Second stage involves using both hands simultaneously, moving from the chin to the ears, and from the edges of the lips to the ears. Finally, concentrate on applying the mask to the upper part of your face by starting at the middle of the forehead and moving towards the temples. 5. Always leave some clear skin around your eyes and mouth. 6. Once the mask is applied, it's best to lie down, close your eyes and relax. Ideally, you should apply facial masks in the evening before going to bed. 7. Don't leave the mask on for too long. If your skin feels any discomfort, wash the mask off immediately. 8. Remove your masks with only water. Avoid using cleaning agents. 9. The water temperature should be right for your type of skin. Oily skin dislikes hot water. Dry skin only feels comfortable after a warm wash. 10. Once you remove the mask, treat your skin with some moisturizing cream. Bonus: tomato facial scrub. All you need to do is to cut a tomato into slices and sprinkle some sugar on it. Gently rub your skin with it to do away with dead skin cells and get clean and fresh-looking skin. Do you know other recipes of homemade beauty products? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.